Are you looking to dive into online chatting? This POF sign-up tutorial for Android users is perfect for you. As 2023 ends, consider registering on this dating site. Even if chatting isn't your goal, create an account to sell it to others and make some cash. To start, gather your tools. You'll need a USA number. Try text verified or Talkatone. Open VPN for Android. Open VPN server. POF. Plenty of fish. APK. Let's begin the POF sign-up process. First, go to the Play Store. Download Open VPN for Android and Open VPN server. Next, search and download the POF app. If you're outside the US, Play Store access should still work. Install and open both Open VPN apps. Now, minimize your phone. Open the Open VPN server app. Click the circular icon at the left edge and wait for it to finish. Select a USA location. Avoid locations with red or yellow dots. Pick one showing a green dot and press connect. Wait until you see the VPN logo at the top of your screen. Open Google Chrome. Visit whoer.net to ensure your IP is green. Now, use Chrome's incognito mode to create your POF account. Once registered, download the POF app and log in while connected to the VPN. Always remember, use OpenVPN to access POF. For downloading POF, the best options are the Play Store or filehippo.com. Wondering about VPN options for POF? Free choices include OpenVPN for Android. OpenVPN server. In conclusion, if you lack cash for a verification number, use virtual numbers. Just ensure they are not from the US or Canada. You can easily find clients on POF for your online dating needs. If you encounter any issues, leave a comment, and I'll help you out. Get started on POF today.